Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to assemble the knife because when we are playing the Balisong, when we play more and more, it will getting loose. So it also will help you how to fix this problem today. We have some new versions, new products come out. You can search our products on this andasbalisong.com or you can search it on Amazon. We have different marketplaces, no matter in USA, Germany, or Italy. You can just use Andas or Andas you want to search it. So here we go. You can search it. Okay, this is the blade. Okay, it is a little loose, so we need to lighten it. So, here you can find the screwdriver here. If you find this is too small, you can use your own self. The model is TA or T9. When you're playing more and more, it gets loose, so you can use this TA to use this here. Yes. Here it is. Okay, this is okay now. Also, in this package we have another blade here. One just like this, and the other just like this. This is for trimmer, yeah. Not shape, you can use it. Also here it is gum, washer, screw here. First, before you take apart this knife, you should remember the same direction, just like this. This is blade is with this handle here. Please don't forget it, otherwise you cannot put them together. So, check. Also, please notice that because the screw and the washer is too small, so I suggest you to find a good place to put them together. Otherwise, it's too small to move. Get lost. Sorry. Just here. And then the other. Okay, each knife it has 4 washers, 2 screws here, and then 2 handles and 1 blade. So now we change this blade for a try. Before you put them together, you should try it to use it just like this to see if it can close or not. Just like this. So now it is okay. So just put one. First, you should put this the true version here. Now you can use the screw. Just make sure this here is a hole. You can see it through. Now the first blade and the handle is okay now, so we just use the same way to fix the other. Okay, now it's finished. The blade has changed. If you find it's too big, too loose, let's just fix it. Okay, now. Also, please notice that because this is it can change, so we did not fix it very well. If you want to fix it very well, you should use the glue. The glue you can buy it by yourself, but please notice that if you use the glue, the blade may not be changed very easy because it has been fixed. So, finish. Also, we have another version, just like this, straight, not the curve. Here, yeah. Okay. You can change this straight. All this is for crown.